Hello guys. So great news today because we added support for draft saving for your products on WPBay. So if you upload a new product and as you can see, there are quite many fields to fill out here. You can save the product as a draft. So all you need to add is a name, and also you will need to add a price, so package price, and afterwards you will be able to save as a draft. So click save draft, and the draft is saving now, validating your files done. So here it is, a new draft is saved, and when you return you will be able to continue editing your draft and add every needed settings and content for it. When you are ready, be sure to click submit for review. Also note that you will get a product ID, so if you are integrating WPBay SDK into your newly developed plugin or theme, you will be able to get the product ID which is needed for the SDK config like this. Save a product as draft and you will get the product ID from here. So thanks for watching. I hope this feature will be helpful for you guys. Bye bye.